On May 13, 2025, officers responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after a man triggered door alarms and exhibited erratic behavior at a secured jet bridge. The legal foundation is Florida Statute Section 394.463, the Baker Act. It authorizes involuntary psychiatric examination when a person appears mentally ill and poses a danger without intervention. This is a civil detention, not an arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio, investigative detention requires specific articulable facts. Forcing secured doors, triggering alarms, and collapsing to the floor satisfies that standard. The legal basis for detention is sound.
What
was he doing? He tried to breach the jetway like twice.
What's wrong?
It's all guys. I don't know.
Yes, go ahead. What's going on? What happened?
I'm trying to catch my flight.
I'm flying with So you were supposed to fly out. What time is your flight? What time is the flight?
Are you
What?
were you drinking or are you taking something? Well, you was actually everybody say you were jumping and you was all over the sleep deprivation.
Huh?
Sleep deprivation. You said sleeping?
Say what happened to this boy? What's going on?
So he boarded the flight. So he scanned him, he walked down the jet bridge. After the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get his attention to like what's going on. He doesn't answer nothing. I'm down the jet bridge because I'm tagging bags and over the flight. She's up here. You walk straight past her. So she's trying to get his attention, like, sir, like, what's going on? He doesn't answer. So she's really thinking more about what happened at the front. So I don't know what's
So the flight left already?
Yeah, the flight already gone. So he said, he didn't say anything. Halfway through in the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get attention, like, yo, what's going on? He doesn't answer anybody and just walks off. So she was on point, so she would able to tell you exactly
what is it? Hey, what's going on?
First, he walked off the jet bridge. They were trying to get his name. He wasn't replying. He wasn't replying. And then when he got to the top, I kind of had to like go in front of him, like, sir, what's your name? What's your name? And he's like, Vito. I don't know if that, like, it's, he said it in Spanish. And then I got his seat number. He said 13. And I'm like, okay. I looked him up. I saw Vito. It was 31F. He was gone already, and then he comes back when he was on the desk, and then he was trying to get on the aircraft. He tried to run me over, and like, he went like this. He was ready, and I'm like, that's the day. Then he goes and he backed down, and he left again. He threw himself on the ground, threw his jacket off, and then he came back again. He tried to open the doors, both doors. He couldn't open the doors. That's why the alarms went off. And then after that, wait, is he backwards? And he's like sweating a lot too.
Yeah, maybe he's 5 minutes. Alright, let me ask you a question. Are you okay? Have you been drinking?
No.
Are you on any medication or anything?
No, sir.
Is there a reason why you were acting like that at the gate?
No, sir.
Alright, so just so you know, the flight's already left.
Okay.
So what do you need to do right now? We're going to walk you outside.
Another flight, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. I'll figure it out. All right, then we're going to walk you outside of that.
Alright, come on, let's
So, the airport, the flight's gone.
That's no what?
I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Appreciate your homework.
It's alright, man. Let's go. If you're not okay to fly, it's better you go find somewhere and whatever you want. I'm not saying because. Huh? Yeah. So yeah, book another flight for another day. And fly now, yeah, because it's not gonna work out for today. So because if you do come back again and you start acting up like that, you're gonna end up in jail.
Understood.
I'm telling you that one. Alright, go ahead. Take the bag off.
We're going to take the bag off.
Hold this.
Put your hands behind your back for right now.
Place your hand behind your back.
Right now, put your hands behind your back. You're being detained while we investigate something. We got additional information. Do you understand? We have additional information about what occurred.
I'm going to explain to you. The way you was acting at the gate over there, you started walking halfway through, and next thing you know, you pull yourself out. This is not a normal behavior. Right now, what we're going to do is you're not being arrested. Let me listen to me. Let me explain to you. You're not being arrested. And you're gonna be Baker active. You're gonna be transported to the hospital where you can see the psychiatrist.
I need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's what
That's
you're
what we're
doing.
doing. We need to get some help.
We're going to the hospital. Relax.
Because you're going to the hospital to get some help.
Yeah, that's where you're going. We're going to the hospital. That's fine. We're going to take you to the hospital. That's where you're going. Alright? It's fine. That's where you're going. You're not being arrested. Just relax.
Hey, stop that, buddy.
Relax. Hey.
What are you doing?
Alright, take him down.
Get on the ground. Por favor.
Stop, buddy.
Stop.
Buddy.
Stop. Yo.
Get it down here. Get it Marquino down here.
Mira. Que no pueden hacer esto. No pueden hacer esto. What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's fine. Let's sit him down.
What are you doing?
Fist off is fine.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just relax, dude. Relax. Alright, sit up. Sit up. Alright. If you're gonna sit up, sit like that. Relax.
Leave him right here.
Just sit down like that. Relax.
Oh, my phone! It's a phone! It's a
okay,
phone!
okay.
I got it. Please, let me have my phone.
No.
Let me have my phone.
Buddy.
Let me have
Get him
my
in the
phone.
unit. Get him in his unit.
Oh my God, no, hey, stop. Stop, why are you doing this to me?
Relax.
Listen
Why
to
are you
me.
doing this to me?
Listen to me. Stop talking
Why are
for a
you doing
second.
this to me?
Shut up. Stop being difficult. It's gonna be worse for you. Stop being difficult. Stop moving. Stop moving. I don't need to hear you right now. Just shut up for 2 seconds.
Yes.
Stop moving. Okay? I don't need you to reach in your freaking pockets to get a phone. You'll have enough time to do that. Do you understand me? Look at me. Stop acting like a knucklehead.
Understood.
Listen to these deputies' instructions. Okay?
I'm listening,
It's
sir.
not time for you
Sir,
to start
I'm
being
listening.
ridiculous.
Sir, I'm listening.
Okay. Don't move.
I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Okay, then stay right there. We're gonna put you in shackles now.
Two Bravo 5 and 2 Bravo 7. Can you copy the 49 audible?
Mine is upstairs. Relax.
Stop, buddy.
What are you doing?
You're gonna get yourself.
It's reasonable to do. Go ahead.
We're searching you. We need to
Here,
make sure
Marquino,
we don't. Do you think we're gonna believe
I
you? We
promise-
need to make sure. Oh, thank
Copy
you so
3
much for
Bravo
letting me
30
know.
area 97.
You still have to check. It's your job.
I don't have any weapons.
Okay, great. Thank you for letting us know.
Door 313.
Stop flexing. Stop flexing.
No,
It's only gonna get worse.
Me.
Don't
We'll pull away again, it's gonna get worse.
Whenever
I'm
unit's
not
coming
trying
down
to
here,
pull
step
away.
it up.
I'm not pulling
Copy
away.
3 Bravo 30.
You're good.
I'm
Relax.
not pulling away. Can somebody please help? Call help. Somebody record this. Can somebody please record this?
30. Time.
Can somebody please record
Bravo
this?
30,
Record this, please. Record this, please.
Each car from any
Hello.
terminal.
Don't worry,
One
we're all
terminal
recording. You're on
313.
camera right now.
Copy
Everybody
3
here is
Bravo
recording.
10.
Don't worry
What
about
the
it.
heck?
We have plenty of video footage of you.
My car's up. I'm
Right
coming
here.
around.
My camera is recording you.
There ain't a unit at lower level that can respond. 3 Bravo 42. Can you copy?
I'm not flexing.
Alright, are we done searching or not
Can
yet?
somebody please record this? Can somebody
Don't
please
record
record
it.
this?
Unit, unit,
Please record this. Please record this.
them like
Please record this.
Copy. 3 Bravo
Please
10.
record this.
Move again and
Bravo
you're gonna
2048.
Somebody
break your
please
wrist.
record this.
yeah.
I respect you guys.
Yeah.
Baker Act detention authorizes a Terry-level pat-down. When the subject reached into his pocket during active restraint, officers correctly denied access. Verbal assurance alone cannot confirm pocket contents during a live detention. The subject repeatedly requested bystander recording a First Amendment protected activity. Under Smith v. City of Cumming, officers acknowledged the cameras and did not interfere. No First Amendment violation occurred. Force analysis applies Graham v. Connor. 3 factors: severity of conduct, immediate threat, and active resistance. Ground control, handcuffing, and shackling fall within the reasonable range. No strikes or pain compliance appear in the record. 2 charges followed. Disorderly conduct under Florida statute 877.03 is the weaker charge. Florida courts recognize a mental illness defense, where conduct stems from involuntary psychiatric symptoms, not criminal intent. Resisting without violence under Florida statute 843.02 is better supported. Physical resistance to a lawful Baker Act detention satisfies the elements on its face, though documented psychiatric impairment may surface as a mitigating factor.
Guys,
Let's get him up.
please, like, treat me like a human being.
Go in the car. Go in the car. Get in there. Go in the car. You'll get it.
Get in there.
Please, man, my ID, my passport and my ID.
We'll give them to you later. Come on, get in there.
They're right there.
Get in there, man.
They're right there.
You're gonna get on your property.
Search him one more time.
You're gonna get everything.
Can I please have my passport? Stop.
Stop. I already told you you're gonna have.
Can I please have my passport? Can I please have my passport?
There's nothing in this pocket.
I don't have anything, guys. I don't
Get
have
in there.
anything.
Put your foot in
I
there.
don't have anything.
Close the door. Oh my God.
You're gonna have to go in the car. Now you wanna push it.
Hold his upper body. I'm gonna grab his legs. Hold his upper body. Hold his upper body. Got it? I got him.
732 control guide to be able to device.
Guys,
Get in there.
You got the upper body. Grab it. You're not gonna pull it.
Yeah, that's it.
The lead officer receives a B. Baker Act application was correct and de-escalation was above average. Deductions for directing the subject to shut up and for failing to articulate the Baker Act basis at the outset, an omission that likely increased resistance. The second officer receives a B-. Tactically competent, but a dismissive remark. Toward a subject in visible distress is a tactical failure. Tone is a de-escalation tool. The subject receives a B+. He refrained from violence, invoked recording rights correctly, and identified objects before reaching for them. Deductions for physical resistance and unsanctioned pocket access during active detention. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, articulate the Baker Act basis immediately. When subjects understand they face medical transport, not arrest, compliance improves. Delayed explanation is an operational failure with legal consequences. Second, mental health crisis and criminal intent are different legal categories. Charging disorderly conduct against a subject in psychiatric distress invites pretrial dismissal and civil liability exposure. Third, verbal conduct is part of the use of force continuum. Dismissive language contradicts crisis intervention team training and undermines de-escalation. What officers say during restraint matters legally. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.